Hello everyone, how are you all? Children, in this video we are going to learn how to align the text, how to change the case of the text. Children, for any formatting, it is always advised or it is always better to do all the formatting before you start typing. So let us see how we can do all these things. We are going to learn how to align the text. Alignment means positioning of the text on a page. So we have four types of alignment, that is left alignment, right alignment, center alignment and justify alignment. So children, how to use this, how to align the text? We have to go to the home button. Fine. From home button, paragraph group, this is the paragraph group. As soon as you see the paragraph group, you can also see that these four buttons are there, four options are there. We are going to use these four options. Fine. The left alignment means, children, placing the text towards the left margin. So this is your left margin. You can see that from here it is aligned in a straight line. The text is aligned in the straight line. So by default it is towards the left margin. So now we are going to do right alignment, children. For right alignment, just select the text. Okay, and this, children, this button is for right alignment. You can use this. See, your text has just shifted towards the right margin. So it is often used for placing the dates or references in a document, children. Fine. So now we are going to use the center alignment. So let me select this. So this button is for center alignment, children. Fine. As soon as I click this, it aligns the text towards the center. You can see that it is in the center of the page. Okay. So now we are going to use justify. Let us see how to justify. So select again. This is the justify button. Just click on this. It places the text evenly between the left and the right margin. Text is aligned properly in left and right both the sides. Okay. It is mainly used for designing books, magazines and newspapers. The other way is, children, for left alignment you can also use the shortcut key from your keyboard, that is Ctrl+L, and for center alignment you can use Ctrl+E. Then for right alignment you can use Ctrl+R, and for justify you can press Ctrl+J. The other option is, children, as I told you, from home tab, this is the paragraph group, and you can see paragraph dialog box launcher. As soon as you click on this launcher, you will get the paragraph dialog box. Also you can change the alignment of the text. So here you can see this alignment is written and justify is written. It means the text is justified aligned. Okay. So from this arrow, drop down arrow, you can select any of it, like left if you want. Just click on left and then press OK button. So you can see here it is again aligned towards the left margin. So like this, children, you can use any three of the options to just align your text. Now we are going to learn how to change the text case. You can change the text case of the existing text without retyping it in the MS Word by using the change case option available in the font group home tabs. Children, the change case button, as soon as I press this drop down arrow, you will find that there are 5 types of case versions here. By default, the text is always in the sentence case. Your English teacher might have told you that whenever you start writing any sentence, you always write with the capital letter. Okay, so here you can see that the sentence here on the both these lines is starting with the capital letter. So let us see how, children, we can use the lowercase. So this is the lowercase button. As soon as I press the lowercase, so you can see the difference that whatever was written in the capital, it has just changed to the small letters, okay, or the small alphabets. So like this you can change it into the lowercase. So now let us use the uppercase. This is the uppercase, children. Press this and you can see whole document is now in the uppercase, means the capital letters. So moving to the capitalize each word. Children, it will change the first letter of each selected word to the uppercase and rest all small. So let us press this. So here you can see all the first letters are all capital and rest the whole text is small. So this is how capitalize each word works. Okay, now let us go to the last option, that is a torsion case. It is, children, just opposite to the capitalize each case. Means here we have the first letter capital, but in the torsion case we will have the first letter in the small and rest all capitals. So let us press this. So here you can see all the first letters of the word have just changed to the small letters. So this is just opposite to, children, capitalized each word. Children, I hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Observe and explore, and don't forget to press the bell icon for the notifications of the upcoming videos. Thank you. Have a nice day.